Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept international payments on your Shopify store without relying on PayPal or Stripe? To checkout might be your best option. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to connect to checkout, now known as a iPhone, to your Shopify store in 2025. What is to checkout? To checkout is a popular global payment gateway that lets you accept payments from over 200 countries. It supports credit cards, PayPal, and even local payment methods, making it perfect for international Shopify stores. Before we begin, make sure you have a Shopify store, a verified to checkout account, a product already added to your store. If you haven't signed up yet, go to 2Checkout.com and create an account. Click sign up, enter your first and last name, business email, password, and website link. Shopify. Copy the domain name and paste here. Then select your country. Then I'm not robot. Check the box. Then click get started. Now click online service or retail physical. Then click account. Once submitted, to checkout will review and verify your account usually within 1 to 2 days. After your account is approved, it's time to get your API credentials. Click login to my account. Enter your email and password. Then click sign in. Wait a minute. Once logged in, to checkout dashboard. From the dashboard, click integration, then webhooks API. Copy the merchant code, secret key, publishable key, etc. Make sure to enable INS, instant notification service, and set the notification URL to Shopify payment gateway format. We'll set up that up next. Now let's switch to Shopify. Go to settings. From here, click payments. Then click choose a provider or search for 2Checkout, or go back to payments again. Then click add payment method and search for 2Checkout. Search by provider. Then select it. Then enter API details. Click install. Then enter your API details, merchant code, secret word, etc. Before going live, you can enable demo mode inside 2Checkout to test payments. This lets you simulate a transaction without real money. Once everything is connected, go live and place a real order to test the payment flow. Customers will be redirected to 2Checkouts payment page and back to your site after the payment. Here are a few final tips. Always double check your credentials. Make sure products follow 2Checkout's policy. Reach out to 2Checkout support if you are stuck. Their documentation is solid. And that's it. You are now ready to accept global payments. If if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon.